Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about 3 simple ways to lose weight. So I used to be fat, like real body shaming kind of fat, where people used to make fun of me, used to give away free advice like I should eat less and all that. I used to be really skinny as well, that in one of my profile picture, one of my friends went and commented saying I look like the hero from Machinist. So I had been there in both the ends and I know how it is. I also wrote a blog series on my blog about weight loss, and ever since I made that blog series, many people used to ping me and ask some tips and tricks for weight loss. So I thought of making this video. Tip number 1, try to stick on to a routine. I used to have a routine, like I used to wake up in the morning around 6:30 to 6:45. I cook my own meal. I have my breakfast around 9:30 in the morning. In between I have some healthy snack like a fruit or nuts or chana dal or some kind of dal around 11:30 to 12. I have my lunch around 1:30. Then I have a cup of tea in the evening. Then I have my dinner around 8:30 and I go back to my bed around 10:30 to 11:30. So sticking on to a routine also comes with other aspects like having healthy food as well as leading a healthy lifestyle. By saying healthy food, I don't mean any kind of crash diet or GM diet or detox diet or vegan diet or anything of that sort. By saying healthy food, I mean have home cooked food. I'm a South Indian and I like rice, I like idli dosa, I also eat egg, chicken and all that. But I make sure that I cook my own meal and eat, and I also make sure that I have some healthy snack rather than store-bought snacks. It doesn't mean that I never eat outside or I never eat junk food or I never eat any store-bought snacks. I do eat those, but I have it very rarely, like 3 times or 4 times a month, but not regularly. By leading a healthy lifestyle, I mean going to bed early and waking up early in the morning. So if at all you are staying awake in the night, you are going to get hungry at odd times like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, and there are so many food delivery services who are ready to serve you food that time. So obviously you are going to end up eating unhealthy food at a very odd time, which is really not good for health. So sticking on to a routine is basic and it is everything. And it is not like you can follow this routine for 2 days, skip it for 2 days, then follow it again. It does not work that way. You have to follow it regularly for at least 1 to 2 months to see results. Tip number 2, incorporate some kind of physical activity in your daily routine. Now by saying physical activity, I am not saying about any extensive kind of work. Going for a brisk walk in the morning itself can really help. And this is not something like a Pokemon Go walk or WhatsApping walk or something like that. You have to walk really fast and brisk so that you sweat, which in turn helps you to reduce weight. But if you have enough time, enough energy, so obviously you can join a gym, you can go for aerobics or you can go for Zumba, but just make sure that you do it regularly to see the result. Tip number 3, announce to everyone that you are going to lose weight. I'm not even kidding. Just tell your friends that you are going to lose weight and then go out and have a pizza and burger. See how they are going to pounce on you saying, you said you are going to lose weight, but now you are eating pizza. So it happens. So what I did is, when I started this weight loss series, I announced in my blog. So whenever I'm going out of my routine or I'm eating a cheat meal or something, I always feel guilty and I always feel conscious that I should stick back to the routine. And I kind of brag to my relatives as well that I wake up early in the morning, then I go for a walk and everything. It was really hard for them to believe. In the beginning they asked like, do you really wake up this early, do you really go for a walk? Then I say yeah. Then they'll be like turning to their children and say, look at her. So this kind of motivated me, this kind of made me stick to the routine and follow my routine. So you can also blog about it, you can maintain an online journal, or you can ask your friends to keep a tab on you. You can also join some self-helping Facebook groups where a group of people are trying to, lead a healthy life and trying to lose weight. Okay, these are the 3 simple steps I follow to lose weight, and apart from this I have a few more points to add. So yeah, for me the reason to gain weight was I used to be very lazy and I used to eat a lot. The routine was like eat, watch TV, sleep and repeat. So for a few of you, the reason for weight gain could be something else, like some medical condition, hormonal imbalance, stress at work or something. In that case, it is always advisable to take help from a medical expert. Personally, I believe that Indian women are supposed to be curvy. I'm not much into fitting into a particular size or working towards a particular size, but it is an individual opinion. But maybe you're looking for something like that. These 3 simple ways may not work out. Maybe you need a physical trainer or a dietitian's advice, so go for it. So yeah, I have something else to say as well. So if at all you have noticed, I was saying I used to I was using past tense because I'm not following any routine as of now. You must be thinking, why I even made this video if at all I'm not following anything. But I used to follow a routine and it really helped me. So if you are going through my blog, you can see I can even add some pictures here so that you can see how it really helped me. So for the past 2 months, a lot has been happening, so I kind of fallen out of the routine. So I am trying hard to go back to my routine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update regularly about what time I'm sleeping, what time I'm waking up, what am I eating, what kind of physical activity I'm doing. Either I'm going to do it in my Instagram, in Facebook, or going to make small videos in YouTube. Maybe I'm not sure as of now. So if you are someone like me who is trying to fit into a routine or trying to stay fit or something that sort, you can follow me so that we can help each other and achieve our goal. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed this. I will meet you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.